Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can know if someone is online Viver or not. So let's just get started. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. Now firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Viver and then go to the chat that you want to know if it's online or not. So either you can go and search it from here, or you may have the chat over here in your chat feed. So for me, let me just search it like this and then go to this particular chat, and over here now you can see there it's written online. So that means the person is online right now. If I send message, here she might see the message. So that's how you do it. That's how you know how. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you know. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.